welcome to my channel. Today we are going to dive deep into one of the most luxurious and powerful creations of the automotive world, the Mercedes S930 BRABUS 2026. This machine is not just a car, it is a statement of power, technology, elegance, and engineering excellence. When Mercedes and BRABUS come together, expectations are always sky high, and the S930 for 2026 does not disappoint. It represents the perfect fusion of German engineering and custom performance artistry, making it one of the most talked about flagship sedans of the upcoming year. Let's start with the overall design. The exterior of the Mercedes S930 BRABUS 2026 has been reimagined to showcase authority on the road. The body lines are sharper, the stance is lower, and the aerodynamics are enhanced with a complete BRABUS body kit that includes aggressive bumpers, carbon fiber detailing, side skirts, and a commanding front grille that makes a bold impression. The adaptive LED lighting technology is futuristic, with laser precision beams that not only look stylish, but also provide unmatched visibility. The wheels are pure BRABUS signature, forged, lightweight alloys up to 23 inches, wrapped in high-performance tires that make the car hug the road with confidence. Every detail screams exclusivity, whether it's the subtle BRABUS badging, the quad exhaust setup, or the rear diffuser designed to improve downforce. Under the hood lies the true beast. The Mercedes S930 BRABUS 2026 is equipped with a heavily tuned power plant that transforms the already luxurious S-Class into a super sedan. BRABUS has taken the stock engine and pushed it beyond its limits. We are talking about a twin-turbocharged V8 powerhouse that delivers close to 930 horsepower, hence the name S930. This means the car is capable of sprinting from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 3.5 seconds, which is absolutely mind-blowing for a luxury sedan of its size. The top speed is electronically limited for safety reasons, but still touches figures that rival exotic hypercars. The performance tuning is not just about speed, it's about delivering a smooth and controlled driving experience. The upgraded suspension, advanced all-wheel drive system, and precision braking from carbon ceramic discs make sure the driver feels in control at all times. Inside the cabin, the Mercedes S930 BRABUS 2026 is nothing less than a private luxury lounge on wheels. BRABUS is known for its handcrafted interiors, and this model takes it to a new level. The seats are wrapped in the finest leather and Alcantara with contrast stitching, customizable according to the owner's preferences. Every surface, from the dashboard to the door panels, is covered in carbon fiber, exotic wood, or brushed aluminum depending on the configuration. The ambient lighting system offers 64 colors, creating the perfect mood for every drive. Technology is at its peak here, with a massive OLED infotainment screen, augmented reality navigation, and AI-powered voice commands that respond with precision. The sound system is a high-end 4D surround experience, developed with Burmester, designed to make every drive feel like a live concert. Rear passengers are not left behind. They get reclining seats with massage functions, entertainment screens, and even a mini refrigerator for refreshments. This is not just travel, this is first-class luxury on the road. Safety and driver assistance are also a major highlight. The 2026 S930 BRABUS is equipped with next-generation autonomous driving features, including highway autopilot, smart lane changing, adaptive cruise control, and emergency braking systems. Radar, LiDAR, and AI-based sensors work together to make the driving experience not only more comfortable, but also safer. It can even park itself with precision in tight spots using remote parking assist. BRABUS ensures that even with all the added power and performance, safety remains uncompromised. What makes the Mercedes S930 BRABUS 2026 truly stand out is that it balances extreme performance with ultra-luxury. While it has the speed and aggression of a supercar, it still maintains the refinement and prestige expected from a flagship Mercedes sedan. It's a vehicle for someone who wants it all. Speed, luxury, exclusivity, and technology wrapped in one incredible package. Only a limited number will be produced, making it even more desirable for collectors and enthusiasts around the world. In conclusion, The Mercedes S930 BRABUS 2026 is not just another luxury car. It is a masterpiece of automotive design and engineering. It redefines what a sedan can be, blurring the line between a luxury limousine and a performance supercar. Every detail has been perfected, from the roaring engine to the whisper-quiet cabin, from the aggressive stance on the road to the serene comfort inside. This car is for those who demand nothing but the best. Those who want to arrive in style and dominate the streets with power and prestige. So, that's the full look at the Mercedes S930 BRABUS 2026, one of the most exciting cars of the future. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing car content. Your support means everything, and I'll continue to bring you the best updates and reviews from the automotive world. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.